and they look great. Mindy graduated with a 3.8. Milty says they're just about to renovate. And don't tell anybody, but Debbie is late. Poo, poo, poo. Poo, poo, poo. When it's good to be true. Poo, poo, poo. Murray was indicted for insider trading. They moved the case to Delaware. They're sitting and waiting, running up a legal tab. Their hopes were fading. Then Murray and the judge's sister started dating. Poo, poo, poo. Poo, poo, poo. When it's good to be true. Poo, poo, poo. Call it what you like, a superstition. For me, it's just a logical position. I'm not claiming honest premonitions, just historically informed intuition, an evolutionary predisposition. Up and down and holding hands and kicking up a horror. Consider possibilities of triggering a juicy Kanahara. Say what you like about me, but be careful, don't commit Lashon Hara. Horrible disasters happen easily, believe me, check the Torah. Rise, fall off chairs, Moyle might sneeze. Bar mitzvah boys can trip on Toulon tzitzis. I dry clean my tuxedo. You should see where I parked the car. Right across Bathurst Street. And it might even rain. Don't say it. It can happen when you're older. It'll go away with Selsun Blue, or so her sister told her. Herbal supplements and vitamins, the health food store sold her. Nothing worked till she stopped throwing salt over her shoulder. Poo, poo, poo.